Oh. Okay. This is my hat now. Oh.
Going to show you how to fly.
Oh.
Pathetic! Oh, we got it.
It's mine now.
Are we having a montage of friendship with this bird?
Why not?
Because it's going to lead to heartbreak later.
Mm-hmm. Just like in the carnival. Touchy subject there.
Too soon.
Oh.
You know, I don't know how many days or weeks or months have passed at this point, but I will note that the bird is pretty much the only character in this child's life at this point.
So sad. Oh, what?
Are we having a bird communication?
No, it's a splashing contest. Oh no.
Hurry! Hurry!
Okay, I won.
I'm glad you can feel proud of beating a bird at something.
Nah. You're gonna chase me again. Oh.
Aww.
Show and tell. Now you gotta chase the bird again.
Excuse me.
And it's gonna lead to heartbreak.
Bird,
Yep.
no, birdie, no. Oh, okay. Okay, I was really worried for a second.
God. Freebird just loves the whole, hey, you remember a car? Do you remember this car? You remember what happened into the moon?
I'll have to join the ducks now. No! sorry, that was a bit dramatic.
As Eli was saying,
I'm not...
You just... Are you okay?
Don't be so invested in this game. Oh, the bird's going to be your seesaw partner. But,
what tricks do you have to show?
I mean, I appreciate the gesture, but good luck with that.
Oh!
oh, I get it. So, oh,
To the moon!
Fly me
Oh, no, it is.
to the moon. Let me play. Oh god, that's not how that works. But all right.
it's like the kid's slowly becoming more popular now that he's got the bird with him, and like everyone wants to see the bird. And hey, that's pretty cool.
There's a training montage over months, and it's eventually going to catch an entire Boeing 747 in its beak.
Oh no, I'm just doing all the shopping for the family too, huh?
Now the family is you and a bird.
Where are you getting the money?
Parents saying money's on the fridge.
Oh, okay.
I really like how it all blends into each other, like it's a dream.
Yeah, the tile set work in basically anything Freebird Games does is just gorgeous. And used to great effect here, especially.
Oh, this is where we found the badger and the bird.
Oh, yep.
There it is. Thank you.
Well, you gonna take the badger home now?
Oh no. Are we going to collect another wounded bird? Am I just
We're
going
gonna
to
start a little collection here.
Am I just going to start hoarding them at this point? Oh, no. Okay.
No.
The birds know things.
Gotta say, for a kid who was basically raised by wolves, or birds as it were, he's doing at least somewhat well for himself as far as actually like doing his homework and things like that. Getting through school, apparently keeping the fridge stocked.
Stop tearing pages out of your book.
He could have bought like just some loose leaf paper while he was at the store.
I guess.
He didn't have to do that.
So why did the bird stop him from making a plane?
I think the bird's trying to ride the plane.
Oh! Oh.
We're gonna make a big ass plane. It's gonna take a really long time.
Good thing the book was blank.
I guess, but sketchbooks don't normally look like that.
Well, he counted that well, didn't he?
Well, that worked out.
Yeah, you gotta hope that the wind is not gonna take it away before you do anything with it. Sure.
It's waiting.
Why not?
This is probably the weirdest thing I've done in an RPG Maker game, but at this point I'll go along with it. Sure, the music's great, the graphics are great. I'm sold.
Oh. For a second, I thought you were shooting lasers. I don't know. Oh.
Okay, I am flying. What's space do? Oh, I see. Fly faster. Yeah.
And you were in like New York or something. Oh,
Oh, I got away from
station.
the polluted city clouds into the pristine. What are we over the
Rhapsody
Himalayas or
music
something?
video.
It's the Rocky Mountains. Oh.
Oh, what-
Okay.
Oh,
What's he saying?
I need to find a nest. Apparently, I didn't realize my relationship with the bird had advanced to that.
Oh, God.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, there we go. It's a floating island that. Okay. Well then. Oh.
Aww.
Mm.
Aww.
Oh, didn't want to finish it. It's mom. Oh, there's more.
Did
You gotta visit 4 more.
Well, they're gonna be fun to find all over this map.
Oh,
Oh, here we go.
it's
So
the Sun and Moon trailer.
there's probably just like one per setting or something. Are you my mommy? Nope. The blending effect to get between the different settings is really well done.
I don't like these clouds though. Okay, it's nighttime. Not what I was thinking.
Nighttime over a desert of
desert.
some sort?
Yeah.
I didn't see an... Oh, there's one.
Nope. Nope.
Oh, maybe I did miss one. Okay. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
That one has eggs in it, but still not the right one. There it is. Okay. Last one, birdie.
Oh.
Yeah.
That looks like the studio. It's like something from a Studio Ghibli movie.
Yeah,
Is
that looks
so
wonderful. The tiered cliffs.
Yeah, that's really well done. The clouds are too, like everything is. As I said, Freebird Games are like everything they do is super beautiful. Well, I guess I'm your mommy now.
Okay, that works.
Wow.
Oh, cool.
The child has mystical powers.
I don't claim to understand half of the weird dream effects going on in this game, but whatever they mean, they are cool. I will give them that. I don't get them, but they're cool. Oh,
Somebody else in the apartment.
Isn't that the lady, the
I,
vet?
I think the vet. Yeah.
Yeah. keep walking, keep walking,
no,
keep walking,
no,
keep walking
no
faster.
bird here. I don't know what you're talking about. What bird?